So welcome to Takeshita Street. This is a very, very famous street. So we're gonna check it out. There's a lot of retail, food, restaurants all over here. And as you can tell, there are a lot of people here. Check this out. Wow. And this is on a Monday, so not the weekend. You can imagine how packed this place is on the weekend or late at night. Yes. Wow. Lots and lots of restaurant options here. And people from all around the world walking through here. There's shops on the sides as well. And then as it gets packed, it just takes a lot longer for you to get through because there's a lot of people. And let me show you how this looks like in the back view. There is just so many people here. And I can't imagine when it gets really, really packed where you're like shoulder to shoulder. But Japan does have more than 14 million people, so it's not surprising that there's this many people here. And to walk fully through the street is probably going to take me about 5 minutes to get from beginning to end. And there's a lot to see and do here, so I'll probably come back to this and check some more places out. But right now, I'm just walking through this place, just kind of giving you a first-time experience, like what I'm feeling right now. And for as many people as there are here in Tokyo, Japan, the people here are very polite, or maybe they seem polite. They're people after all, so it's definitely a different culture. So you see there. And then here is where it gets even more packed. Wow. It's just a long street. Oh man, the beginning of the street is all the way down there. It's massive. And it's hard for me to like kind of express you how kind of crazy it feels to have so many people and not feel, I don't know, uncomfortable if you're not used to this. I'm not used to this. There's a lot of people here. And I typically Don't like to be around too many people in crowded areas.
いるみんな。多分そうよ。あ。
Wow.
Did you read the Yes, I like that. So what's the deal with it? Trying
Oh wow. So that was a walkthrough through Takeshita Street. It's absolutely crazy insane how many people are in there. And just walking straight through, that took me about 7 minutes. So there's Takeshita Street. Really, really an incredible experience. And then when you come out from there, you get to Harajuku Station. So this is the easiest way for you to get here and experience this for yourself.